Algebra Word Problems number 31B, Write, Solve Equations for Inequalities, Part 2. An inequality is a statement that two quantities are not equal. And there's 5 symbols that we use with inequalities. Less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, or is not equal to. In an inequality, the variable can be any value that makes the inequality true. And if you're still having trouble remembering the less than, greater than, just remember that the big mouth eats the big number. So whichever is the bigger number, the big mouth is going to eat that greater number, okay? So, the perimeter of triangle ABC is greater than 75 yards. What are the possible values for the length? C of the third side. So here's our triangle. Side BC is 17, side AB is 26 yards, and ABC, the entire triangle, is greater than 75 yards. What are the possible values for the length of this side? So if it's bigger than 75 yards, we can do C plus these two sides, 26 and 17, is greater than 75. Or we can add the 26 and 17 together, these two sides together, and get 43, and say C plus 43 is greater than 75. Because remember, it says that the triangle is greater than 75 yards. So whatever we get, it's got to be bigger than 75, so we have the greater than sign. C plus 43 is greater than 75. We subtract the 43 from each side and create a zero pair so that we can discard that. And now we've got C is greater than 32. So we know that the possible sides can be 33, 34, 35, etc., as long as it's greater than 32. See? Let's try this one. Talo was hired to design a garden that is to be 54 feet long and no larger in area than 1,800 square feet. So it can't be bigger than 1,800 square feet, but one of the length is 54 feet. What are the range of possible values for the width of the garden? All right, so we need length times width to get the area, but it can't be bigger than 1,800 square feet. We have the length of 54 feet, and we know it can't be larger in area than 1,800 square feet, and the width is W, so we need length times width to give us this area that's less than 1,800 square feet. So we've got 54, which is the length, times W, which is the width, has got to be less than or equal to 1,800 square feet. 54 times the width is less than or equal to 1,800. So 54 goes into 1,800 33.3 times. So because it has to be less than 1,800, it could be 54 feet by 33 feet, 54 feet by 32 feet, or by 31 feet, etc. As long as it doesn't go bigger than 33. See? Then the garden won't exceed 1,800 square feet. So those are our possibilities. All right? So we're going to do word problems for 2 inequalities. Okay? That's what we're going to be doing in video number 32. I hope to see you there. Bye.